Alright, so this is just a short quick review on how to multiply mixed numbers. Now we've gone over all the different ways that we can do this, but I really feel that this is going to be the quickest and the most efficient way of doing it, and the way that you're going to avoid making a lot of simple mistakes. Okay, so there's basically 3 steps to multiplying mixed numbers. And the first thing that we're going to do in this one is we are going to convert. So we're going to convert the mixed numbers into improper fractions. And then what we're going to do is we're going to do a reduction. So we're going to pre-reduce the numbers. So we're going to reduce the numbers before we actually calculate it out. And therefore we're usually going to bring our numbers down in size, and it's going to make our calculation that much easier. So then the third step is going to be to calculate. Okay, so we know the shortcut here, obviously, for converting a mixed number into an improper fraction. We are going to simply multiply by the denominator and add in the numerator. So in this case, we have 6 over 5, and then here we got 3 times 8 is 24, plus 1 is 25 over 8. Okay, so now it's essentially what we're looking at, because we know when we are multiplying, we just multiply straight across. We multiply our numerator straight across, so it would be 6 times 25, and we'd multiply our denominator straight across, which would be 5 times 8. So if we were to do that straight away, we'd end up with a number like 125 over 40. But we have an opportunity to reduce here. So let's take a look at what the reduction looks like. So we've done the conversion. Now we're going to pre-reduce. So we're going to take a look here and say, hey, are there numbers here that will divide evenly? And right here we can see an easy one. 5, we know 5 goes into 5 once, and 5 goes into 25 5 times. And we also see the 6 here. We know that 2 goes into 6 3 times, and we know 2 goes into 8 4 times. And so because of that, we have been able to shrink the number down, and now it's going to be much easier for us to calculate. So now we're going to calculate. We've done our reduction, and now we're going to calculate. So if I look at this, I'm now going to have 3 times 5, which is going to equal 15. And we have 1 times 4, which is going to be 4. And we know that that is going to equal 3 3/4. Okay. Like I said, just a quick review. If you want to go through this again, rewind the video. Good luck.